If you have spine pain, back pain, sciatica, digestive issues, stress, anxiety, depression, poor circulation, a weak immune system, heart problems, high blood pressure, this rather simple myofascial yoga series for your spine will be beneficial for your spine and your entire body. It's inspired by the pawanmuktasana series. These yoga exercises and myofascial releases using the soft foam roller are designed to release your spine. So this simple series for your spine will improve your digestion and circulation. It will reduce back pain and neck pain and sciatica. It'll stretch and strengthen the spine, the myofascial tissue that runs along the spine. It will help to relieve menstrual discomfort, and it will stimulate your lymphatic system, boosting your immune system. So the yoga exercises for your spine are also said to relieve stress, mild depression, and anxiety. The series helps to improve the circulation of blood and lymph in the body, so it improves your immunity as well. In addition, this series is excellent for people with heart disease, heart problems, and high blood pressure. The short video offers myofascial release yoga using a soft foam roller. Myo means muscle, and fascia refers to the network of connective tissues that surround and include your muscle. The fascial tissues get misaligned due to trauma and injury, poor movement patterns, and emotional stress. Fascia is a system of proprioception. It's rich in nerve endings, so it creates a direct pathway for nerve signals to flow to and from the brain, which aids in proprioception, coordination, and our ability to control our movements. In this video, we're going to use a soft foam roller to isolate the myofascia of your spine, allowing you to create a neurophysiological response that will allow more range of motion along your spine, as well as greater ease of movement and less pain. The soft foam roller is a myofascial release tool that allows you to take your soft tissue care into your own hands. Because seeing a registered massage therapist is really quite expensive, regular use of a soft foam roller is an affordable alternative, and it offers many of the same benefits of therapeutic massage. So using the soft foam roller on your back creates a neurophysiological response. The myofascial release influences your nervous system, which actually governs the baseline tone of your muscle. Because your fascial system is rich in nerve endings, the gentle pressure on fascia communicates that there is no longer the need for tension in that area. So in the case of this class, the myofascial release using this soft foam roller creates a neurophysiological response that allows you to have greater range of motion in your spine and experience greater ease during movement and less pain. So to unlock the full class, as well as the whole series of 8 myofascial release yoga videos for all the joints of your body, including toes and feet, knees, hips, ankles, wrists, elbows, shoulders, and neck, just click on the link below to join our membership community.